Well, I've been working all day on putting this crash bar on. Boy, what a job it was. It's supposed to fit my bike, but of course I got a disclaimer that modification may be necessary. And boy, I'll tell you, it was. I had to take some stuff off, get it to fit. But it's on and it looks pretty good. I think it does anyway. Hopefully I won't have a crash, but if I do, hopefully it will save my bike. I still got to find something for the back end to protect this primary cover, the bottom part of the primary cover especially. But anyway, that's it. Now we'll go for a ride. Buddy, Easy Rider Greg, welcome. Man, it's a cold day. I've been out here working on this Dyna that I bought last week, putting a crash bar on, and things did not go smoothly. Not at all. But everything's cool now. Got it on, so hopefully it'll stay on, and hopefully I won't have an accident. But if I do, I hope it protects my bike. It sure saved the Road King, those crash bars did. Well, I'm on my way to the grocery store. If I can get out of this gravel. It's a lighter bike, but it's still awfully hard to move through the gravel. And my legs keep cramping up. Oh, there, boy. I'm back out on the road. All right. My microphone wire ain't long enough. Oh, well. Uh-oh. Great going over the speed bumps. This is lower than my Road King. I didn't know that they were. Yeah. Still haven't got those mirrors quite right. May have to put longer ones on. Them short ones just might be a little too short. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments. Well, shoot, I forgot my paper. I was going to do some shout outs, and I forgot my paper with them, and I don't remember who I was going to shout out. I gotta go to the grocery store and the pharmacy and get my wife's prescription. This isn't working out very good with that GoPro. That swivel mount that I got is too loose, and it doesn't have a thing for tightening it up. Boy, hit again, and I got to make sure I go over that slow. Boy, my hands are awful sore after putting those pipes on. I can't get a comfortable position on here. Ooh, it's cold. I don't have a thermometer on this, but it was like 38 degrees on the porch. I know I kept putting on and taking off my jacket. As I was doing the work, man, this mirror here is just ridiculously tight. Oh, I think I got it where I want it now. All right. Yeah, that was working on it. I'd get hot, I'd take my jacket off. Then I'd get cold, I'd put it on. You wouldn't have thought that it would take all day to put a crash bar on, but it sure did. Things did not go smoothly. I still got to fix that left turn signal, brake light, running light. Yeah, that was working on it. I'd get hot, I'd take my jacket off, then I'd get cold, I'd put it on. You wouldn't have thought that it would take all day to put a crash bar on, but it sure did. Things did not go smoothly. I still got to fix that left turn signal, brake light, running light. It was the bulbs that were on both sides. They're messed up. And I broke them both, taking them out because they were glued in. Whoever put them in, glued them in. intense, not constant. Or what do they call it? Infinite settings when you move it. I got to get those E-Glide goodies for this crash bar too. I'm not sure that they'll fit on this one. This one's a different shape. Hopefully they will. Put those on in case I do crash it. And then I gotta think about something for the rear and for the primary, the bottom of the primary for crash protection. My hands are really sore. My back and legs are really sore too. Oh, I can't park in the handicap because I don't have my handicap plate. Well, I got some paper plate. Yep, those are both handicap. Shoot, I don't have my plate. Here's one right here. This will be good. Yeah, somebody lost some oil or some coolant there. I don't want to put my foot down in that. Now I got a feel for that weird location where this Dyna kickstand is. I think this bike must have been lowered too, because I have to lean the bike way over to put the kickstand down. What is this? I don't know what that is. Okay, well, here we are. I gotta fix this, that's for sure.